Okay, hi YouTube. This is my AirArms TX200HC Mark III, and I've only had it a couple of weeks. Been on the forums and suggested that strip down and relube is a good thing to do. There's been a little bit of a twang and a slight twist on the recoil, so I was going to strip it down. Now I've got a little guide on the internet, and I'm going to go for it for the first time. I've not done a dry run or anything. I've got some tools set up. I've got a 3mm Allen bit. So first of all, I'm going to remove the scope. Not quite the way I envisaged it coming off, but there we go. There's the TX without the scope, and we will carry on. So the first step, remove the two front stock screws and rearmost trigger guard screw. So just remove these. This is on camera, it's a bit of an awkward setup I've got here. So I'll remove them. I'm just going to put them in a tray so that I don't lose any and I know where they all go. And there's one on the other side as well. Pop him out. Okay. I'll just flip it over, and the rearmost on the trigger guard, I guess it would be this one. So I've got to remove the other larger Allen key there, which is a number 5 Allen key. Pop him out. Trigger guard comes off with that, so I'll put that in the tray as well. I'm not sure if you can see the tray. I've just tried to keep everything in an order in the tray, just to make it easier, so I know where stuff goes. And there we go, that's the stock removed. Right then, the next step of the dismantle is removing this circlip here so that we can take the cocking arm out. And this circlip's can be a bit of a pain when this thing shoots off. I'm just going to put a rag around it. Unfortunately, it might restrict your view a little, but just to try and catch it. And it came off easier than expected. And hopefully, it's just on the mat there. So there we go. We've just popped that off, and I'll pop that in the tray. And then we need to remove this cocking arm. So I'm going to take there we go, that pin just pops out, and then it's got a circlip on the other side. Pop that in. Slightly, right, just a little leverage there. You can see the end of that, so it just pops out of the shoe there. So that's the next stage done. Put that in the tray, by the tray. In this trigger block, and we need to undo this screw here. So I was going to use a big old adjustable, but it's a 10mm, so we'll go for that. So if I hold it like that, put some pressure on my 2 fingers to hold it down like that, I can just about unscrew it by hand now. And there we go. So there was a little bit of preload on there, but not a great deal, not too bad at all. So again, popped into the tray, and the lovely greasy trigger assembly is out. So I'll put that on the paper towel. So now the trigger assembly's out, we can dismantle a little bit further. So there's a greased up spring. I was mainly removing it to check the ends on this spring and make sure there was no nasty sharp bits, polish it up and see if we can remove any nasty twangs in the twisting motion. Yeah. Oh, a whole lot comes out if you tip it up like that. And as you can see, it's slightly bigger just down the end here, which allows you to take out the cocking sheet. And then I'm guessing the whole remaining part eases out. So there we go, that's the disassembly as far as I want it done.